Imagine a future where every household, regardless of its location or demography, is powered by clean and renewable energy. This vision lies at the heart of my research. Before I proceed to my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Naim Molla. My research title is "The Attitudes Toward Renewable Energy of Common Folks in Dhaka and Thakurgaon: A Convergent Parallel Design Approach", which explores how socioeconomic and demographic factors shape attitudes toward renewable energy into contrasting regions of Bangladesh. To begin with, this presentation is organized into six sections, starting with the introduction and literature review, followed by methodology, decision-making process, the potential impact of the study, and lastly, the conclusion. At first comes the introduction part. Renewable energy plays a crucial role in achieving Sustainable Development Goal 7. However, its adoption varies widely, especially in developing countries like Bangladesh. This research focuses on Dhaka, an urban hub, and Thakurgaon, a rural area, to analyze how demographic, socioeconomic, and cultural factors affect renewable energy adoption. By targeting common folks, who are the end users, this study aims to answer the questions: what motivates or discourages renewable energy adoption, how do government policies influence their willingness. With 1,100 participants from these two regions, the study uses both quantitative surveys and qualitative interviews for a comprehensive analysis. Next comes the literature review. Previous studies reveal that urban areas like Dhaka have higher renewable energy adoption due to better awareness and access. In contrast, rural areas like Thakurgaon face financial constraints and prioritize immediate cost over long-term benefits. Existing research, however, often overlooks the attitudes of common folks and relies heavily on quantitative methods. By using a mixed method approach, the study addresses these gaps and provides a comparative analysis of urban and rural attitudes. Next, I proceed to the research methodology part, which is divided into two sections. Firstly, the quantitative phase involves a survey using a 5-point Likert scale. Statements like "I believe renewable energy reduces environmental harm" gauge awareness and willingness to adopt renewable energy. With 500 respondents from Dhaka and Thakurgaon each, the survey uses random sampling to ensure diverse representation. Secondly, the qualitative phase involves semi-structured interviews with 50 participants from each region. Questions explore personal motivations and challenges, such as: what barriers do you face in adopting renewable energy? Purposive sampling ensures diversity in age, gender, and income levels. Now comes the decision-making part. Combining quantitative surveys and qualitative interviews will allow for cross-validation and a holistic and comprehensive understanding of attitudes toward renewable energy. Quantitative data will highlight trends, while qualitative insights will reveal deeper motivations and barriers. These findings will guide practical recommendations for urban and rural settings. Now, what are the potential impacts of the study? The research will provide actionable policy recommendations to improve renewable energy adoption by bridging urban-rural disparities. The study supports socioeconomic development and environmental sustainability. Moreover, it aligns with SDG Goal 7 and contributes to Bangladesh's goal of generating 4,100 megawatt of renewable energy by 2030. To conclude, the study examines the socioeconomic and cultural factors influencing renewable energy adoption in Dhaka and Thakurgaon. Using a mixed method approach, it addresses research gaps and provides insight to shape policies and strategies for sustainable energy solutions. Finally, I acknowledge the sources used in this research, including key studies on renewable energy attitudes and policy frameworks in Bangladesh.